was a good walk, Shadow. I think today's a great day to do some boat projects. Buff the hull, scrub the screens. I like that. What do you think, Tam? Cool. Which one do you want to do? I also thought we could do another dunking day today. We're ready for some new words. Yeah, we're coming here today. What's today's plan? Alright, today is just hang out on the boat day. Alright, I'll just go to school this morning.
After morning of school, it's time to get some lunch. Set up a anchor line here to keep us from drifting off when the tide goes up. So we're trying to head out Largo Canal, and we ended up at a low tide, and our GPS was a bit off, and we went into, it's extremely shallow on both sides, and you have about 6 foot of depth, and then you have about a foot over, you have about maybe a foot or two, less than a foot. So we had hit the first time, and we ended up getting aground. So it's not the entire, it's just the starboard side. Midway is aground right now, and we cannot get off. And it's currently about 6:30, so it's dead low tide here. So the tide's starting to come up right now. So we're waiting for the tide to go up. We have Towboat US to be ready to come out. Just about an hour and a half later, it's hit slack tide right now, which is really good. So we now have our tide level is going back up, and our keel has just now started to rise up a bit. It's kind of been hitting the bottom all of a sudden, and earlier it was dead on, so that's good. We just started rotating a little bit, so we've definitely gotten some progress made, but we still have to wait another couple hours to get off. We're free! Alright, I'm gonna keep pulling this in. There we go, we're hauling her in. Alright, we start up the engines now. Both idle. We're officially free. Starboard. Both are started, we're good. Red marks, 90 degrees to port. Also on your port quarter, you have that no wake zone.
For now, I'm just trapping it, okay?
Alright, out of the water.
Yeah, out of the water. Okay. It's swinging like crazy, it's got a ton of mud on it.
Where are we? Right there is the light. You see, I'm shining good on it. We're not moving.
Notice.
We have grabbed again.
Might be.
How's that stern looking, Bob?
Might need to drop the anchor again too, so don't fuck with it tonight.
Alright, dropping it right now?
No. Wait.
Okay.
Go back down.
Put the anchor down, Town.
Alright. Can you get me a cleat on that? Dropping the anchor.
Okay, let her go.
Alright.
Watch your feet.
I see that. I'm letting it out
Let
slowly.
her down.
We're at bottom right now.
Okay. Okay, pay it out.
I'm gonna pay out some scope. Our light's right there. See it?
Yeah.
Right.
Okay, where's that other,
The no wake mark's right there.
where's the one that was starboard to port?
I've been trying to find that for a minute now. Oh, we're right on it right now, Dad. Right there.
What?
No, that.
Kill the engines.
Well, that was just tripping.
Oh my god. See, we drifted.
Right, well, what happened was we back, see, there's the mark there.
Yeah. Well, did you hear me? I said we're headed away from the mark.
All right.
Did anybody hear me? I said we
How
need
do you
to go.
guys feel about putting the dinghy and taking it out again?
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, got you. All right, let's do it. All right, I'm gonna sit down, and as soon as we're ready to go, we're gonna go. All right, so keep us in the bow. I appreciate it, Sean. Okay. Coast to neutral here. Can you grab the bow of Oceanic? Don't give us some payload. Put us in a hovering pattern. Yep, reverse. How far do you want me to go? Alright, we're gonna start reversing now. Drop the anchor. We're dropping the anchor here. I'll shine the light here so you can see it again. Ready? Yep. Let's light being on. Alright, and anchor is in the water. Alright. And then as soon as that's tied off, give me enough hanger slack and get over here. Pull the engine. We just dropped our anchor down right now, so we are in for the night. It's about 10 o'clock, so pretty eventful afternoon. We were headed out to Rodriguez Key, which is where we are now. Ended up coming across some really shallow low tide. We ran aground. After we ended up running aground, we float off after a couple hours. We set an anchor. So we kedged ourselves off, but we managed to kedge ourselves off from one side and drifted to the other side of the bank. So we grounded down to their side, had to get Towboat US to take us out to here. So pretty eventful, took a couple of hours. That was probably about 5:30 till 10 o'clock now that we spent trying to get off. So the hull looks to be pretty good, which is good. Our rudder on the starboard side is a bit bent, we think, because the steering is a little bit rough. So we might have to get that serviced.